That's the back of the truck. We haven't unpacked too much because we're going to go on the next box tomorrow, so let's take a few things out. Charlie's fixing his bike. What's going on?
Setting up, testing.
Just setting up for the test. Getting all the stuff, unpacking everything out of our box. He fits all this, he puts all of this inside here. It's a Tetris, I know. That's a little Charlie. The Charlie. Mark's working on the bike. I should be helping him, but I want to record it. Taking it all apart. We're going to strip this down to nothing tonight, clean it up, get everything all ready. It's pretty dirty after the race in Silverstone. The colour of the water. It's not clean. It's dirty. Rust. A lot of rust. Where it touches heel. Yeah, really dirty, really dirty. Need to clean up. And straight after the race, we just threw it in the truck. Clean all this stuff up. Yeah. Saxony and guys riding outside. The learn day. Day. That's about it. Box the message, the other guys haven't arrived, Dan's bike's still ramped up. That's basically it. Hey, alright guys, see you later.
What are you doing in it? What?
We're taking off the engine. Hey, show the dirt.
The dirt? Where is the dirt?
All the dirt here from the rain. Hey, but slowly, eh? And the dirt here. Slowly. Hey, but it's